So hello guys again, and welcome back to a new video on a BMW E46. This is a compact version, but are the same with the coupe or limo or combi. Today I will show you how you can code your day running lights with turn indicators, with a low voltage or the high voltage. You can see now just the lights are off, are on the zero. So we will make this again with the Carly adapter. So let's get started. I am connected with the car. You can see customization, continue coding, check coding possibilities. So 2 echoes found, liked, read out. Backup successfully created. So side makers, day running lights, daytime running lights, we have to activate it both. Okay, code. So you can see the running lights dimmed, high beams on. Okay, agree. So you can see in the car is nobody. You can see it's just activated, but it's a little bit too high voltage. We will make on a medium voltage. Okay, code now. This is a little bit okay. Now we can make the day running light with the side makers, front turn signals. It is here, the next on. Code now. Agreed. Code now. You can see the turn indicators are on. So okay, now we can make again with a low voltage. Let's see, a low voltage is a little bit more actually, but doesn't matter. So high, this is actually okay. I think with a high voltage they are not so powerful. Very high, it is the strongest. You can see now it's a little bit too strong, so let it on medium. I think it will be okay. As medium it will be okay. You can see. So now if you turn your they will just disappear. You have only the low beam, and if you will go back to the zero, you will have this, the running light with the turn indicators. Let's see the hazard. So just enjoy it. If you wanna buy, or you are interested about the Carly adapter, I have put it down, a link down in description. You can just buy it direct from the website, from the Carly. So, and if you like it, please enjoy. let a like or a comment, or just subscribe for more videos. It will come more and more. So until next time, bye.